Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share 5 game-changing tips that will literally make your skincare product much more effective and work better for you. The first tip I have for you guys is pairing your skincare product the smart way. As a skincare girly, you need to be smart with how you pair your skincare product. This way, you can get the best benefit from each product. And I'm sure you already know that there are some skincare products you should not mix together, while there are some skincare products you should mix. And when you mix them together, girl, the amazing benefits you're gonna get and the way the product to be much more effective on your skin is on another level. The reason why there are some skincare products you shouldn't pair together is the fact that sometimes it can cause irritation on your skin. It can also cancel out each other and make one not effective on your skin. It can also cause peeling and also irritate your skin really bad. I have actually seen pictures of irritation where people pair 2 products that they are not supposed to pair together, and it was so crazy. So ingredients like vitamin C, we know that vitamin C is a great brightening ingredient, but sometimes vitamin C can be irritating to some persons. Imagine comparing your vitamin C with, let's say, a retinol, benzoyl peroxide. That's you causing havoc on your skin and causing a lot of irritation for your skin. Ingredients like this, you shouldn't pair them together, except they've been formulated by a manufacturer in the best percentage should be paired together. While ingredients like that are soothing, hydrating, moisturizing, a lot of these kind of ingredients, you can actually pair them together, yes, because they would boost each other's effectiveness, improve how effective they work on your skin. So here is a cheat sheet. You can actually screenshot this to keep for yourself. The second tip I have for you guys today is temperature. This is one that I know a lot of people are not aware of, but the temperature you store your skincare product is very, very important. If you store your skincare product in an environment that is unconducive, it can make it unstable. It can make that skincare product lose its effectiveness. Yes, I am not kidding. I'm not saying you should go buy a thermometer to start checking the temperature of your skincare. No, it's not that deep. It's not that deep. But the good thing is a lot of our skincare products are formulated to be stable in a room temperature. So you can actually keep a lot of your skincare products in your room, but do not store your skincare product in a place that is hot, and also try not to store your, move your skincare product away from direct sunlight. So if you're someone that your room gets sunlight, try to move your product away from where that sunlight actually comes from and keep them in a cool, dark place or place away from the sunlight. Especially products like vitamin C, when they are exposed to sunlight, they oxidize quickly, and when vitamin C oxidizes, it's not effective anymore because it has lost its effectiveness. So make sure to put your skincare product in a room temperature that is cool and away from sunlight. The next tip is actually cleansing the right way. This might really sound basic, but hear me out, because I've seen countless videos of people cleansing their skin and they do it wrong. They do it wrong. What we don't know is if you don't cleanse your skin well, effectively remove all those dirt from your skin, all those gunk that you've gotten from makeup, sunscreen, environmental pollution, if you don't effectively remove it from your skin, those dirt could clog your pores and make your skincare not to effectively penetrate into your skin to work their magic, because your pores are blocked. That's the reason why you need to cleanse your skin and make sure you are cleansing it the right way to effectively remove all those dirt from your skin. This is where double cleansing actually comes in, because when you double cleanse, it helps to effectively remove all the dirt from your skin. Double cleansing is basically using both a water-based and an oil-based cleanser to cleanse your skin. I have a detailed video on how to double cleanse on my channel. I'm not saying you should double cleanse every day, but if you're someone that you wear makeup every day, you are always out and about every day, try as much as possible to double cleanse. But if you don't wear makeup every day, you can double cleanse every other day, just to make sure that you are effectively cleansing your skin. So there's actually a guide to how you should cleanse your skin to effectively remove all those dirt, and this rule is using a 30 to 60 seconds rule. When you apply your face wash on your skin, massage it in a circular motion all around your skin for at least 30 to 60 seconds. When you massage and wash your face like that in a circular motion within that time range, you will effectively cleanse your skin well. Because I have seen where people just apply their face wash, go like this, and they wash it off. They don't even spend like 5 seconds. Girl, if you do that, you need to start changing and start using the 30 to 60 seconds, because this will help you. Like, just try it tonight. So this is me in the future. Apparently, while I was shooting this video, my microphone stopped working at the middle of the video. Like, it is faulty. I had to get a new one. I didn't realize until I was done with the video, and halfway through the video there was no sound. So here I am completing the video for you guys. Tip number 4 is apply your products the right way. Just like you have to cleanse your skin the right way, you need to apply your products the right way. This is extremely important, because if you apply your product the wrong way, they will not be able to penetrate into your skin and work their magic. So layering your skincare incorrectly might also alter the effectiveness or cancel out the effectiveness of some product. The easiest way you can actually do this is always to remember to layer your skincare from the thinnest to the thickest. This will actually guide you. I also have a video, like an in-depth video about this, so you can also go check out that video, but we're just going to talk about the basic right now. Yes, so layer your skincare product from the thinnest to the thickest, because this way the thin product will have room and penetrate into your skin before the thicker ones come in to like seal up your pores and not allow the thin product to actually penetrate effectively into your skin. Let's say, for example, you have your skincare products, right? It's best to start first. Cleanse your skin using your face wash, just to remove all those dirt. Then if you have toners, if you use toners, next thing, go with your toners, because your toners will help to like prep your skin and balance your skin's pH. Then move on to your serums. So if you're someone that you use different kind of serums, let's say you have 3 serums in one routine, this is where layering your thinnest to the thickest product actually comes in. Yes, so you would start with the serum that is lighter first, so that it will have room to absorb into your skin without any obstruction. So start with the thinner one, go in with the next one, and lastly go in with the thicker one. So that way you are sure that all of your serums absorbs into your skin well. The next, you can now go in with your moisturizer. Yeah, my microphone is working. I just had to confirm that. Don't be someone that you apply your moisturizer first before applying your toner. Don't do that, because your moisturizer will like seal up your skin, and your other products, like let's say your serum, might not be able to really go into your skin properly without any obstruction. I know that there are some instances where you have to like apply your moisturizers first before your serums, like tretinoin, your hydroquinone. This is what we call the sandwich method, just so your skin is not irritated. There's an exemption for that, but if you're not using the sandwich method, it is best to apply your thinnest product first before your thickest product. The last tip I have for you guys is to always give your skincare product few seconds intervals between your skincare products. Don't just dump all your skincare products all at once on your face. I have seen a lot of people do this, and I'll be like, come on, just give one product room of few seconds to absorb first before going in with the next one. This way they would work better, because if you apply everything at once, there's a high chance that they will cancel out each other. About 30 to like 60 seconds interval is like a standard time frame, just to allow one product to absorb into your skin well before going in with the next one. What I also advise is, when you apply one product, allow it to absorb, and when your skin is almost dried, like still like a little bit sticky, then go in with the next one. That way you are sure that your skin is absorbing the product, and you will definitely see results, like good results. Remember to also be consistent with your skincare product. If you want to see results, you have to be consistent. And I strongly believe if you follow the tips I have mentioned today, your skincare products will work much more better for you, and you'll be glad and satisfied with your products and not feel like they are a waste of money for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share this video with your friends and family. All the skincare girlies that you know out there, share this video with them so they can learn one or two from this video. I really do appreciate each and every one of you that keep watching my video, keep subscribing, keep liking. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. If you have any other topics that you would love me to talk about, I am more than happy to do this for you guys. If you have any product you would love me to review, I am more than happy to do this. So just comment all of this down below. I have a lot of other videos that I'm sure you're definitely going to enjoy. So I'll see you guys in this video. Don't go away.